Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga communities. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Thon and Ghems for sending us their baby back ribs. At meron din tayong baked macaroni. So it's gonna be a baby back ribs this afternoon. So if you want to know more about these products, stay with me because I'm gonna be promoting them to you. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, this is from Thon and Ghems kitchen. So they just started September. I believe it's September, around ganun mga months, no? And according to them, according to our orientation with the owner, so nag-start lang to with their love in cooking, no? Before the pandemic, madalas silang nagmi-meet ng family hanggang nagkaroon nga ng quarantine. So ang nangyari, yung mga friends nila, yung mga family nila, yung relatives nila, they requested Thon and Ghems to cook for them. Until such time, yung mga friends nila at relatives nila encouraged Thon and Ghems to really put it up as parang regular business, no? So they have come up with this. Yung baby back ribs natin is delivered or served dun sa parang aluminum party trays. Just for presentation purposes, nilagay natin siya dito sa wooden plate natin. So, it comes with your green vegetables, which are beans, parang ganyan. And then, you also have 2 servings of mashed potato. Additionally, you can have gravy. Yan. So, some prefer, ayaw nila ng gravy, but this one is available just for you to, when you ask for it. So, additionally, yung gravy lang natin doon. Okay. Grabe guys, if you are just with me, this is so eye-appetizing. Ang bango po ng nila na pagkaka-barbecue ng ribs natin. Plus, the meat itself, no, it is pink in the inside. And what I like about it is dark brown naman yung labas niya because of the sauce that is rubbed, no? And then at the same time, yung pagkaka-barbecue niya. So I wanna dip it here. Wow, man. Ooh, I like it. I like it. So, yung mga ganitong pagkain or, kind of setup is very suitable ngayong quarantine period, no? So, for a small gathering, for a intimate family, dinner or lunch, these can be served. Now, I've heard from the owner, parang ginawa din nila itong pang-giveaway sa isang parang a christening event, parang ganyan, no? So, instead of right after nila dun sa church, instead of going to, somewhere they can eat or gather, no? Ginawa nila guys ay pinamigay nila to. They gave it as, as their giveaway or take homes and for joining them dun sa christening na yun. So what a practical way to celebrate yung event na yun. Now, again, yung mga baked macaroni natin can be served sa huge party trays na yun. Meron pa silang isang product which is yung lasagna that is also available from them. Now, I wanna taste this one. This is very cheesy. Wow, indeed. Super duper. This is very cheesy. What I like about it is not unlike some other baked macaroni. It tends to be a little salty. This one is not. It is actually very, very creamy. So, hindi ka masusuya. Oh, wow. Alright, so aside from yung dip natin which is a gravy, it can also be added dito sa mashed potato natin. Okay, let's taste this mashed potato. Alright. Okay, so more baby back ribs. You don't want to taste this one. Wow. Alright, so this time let's have some greens. Then of course, more ribs. Okay, so another ribs for me. What a lovely afternoon. Sabi nga sa inyo, it's going to be baby back ribs afternoon. And with that, I would like to thank, of course, Thon and Ghems Kitchen for sending us these amazing barbecue. Wow. Grabe. Sobra. Super, super duper mag-enjoy kayo ng mga family nyo dito. Alright, so there you have it guys. Just as a disclaimer, just for you to know, this is a partnership video. So more of a review for this food. It's actually a promotion of their products and services. So if you're interested to know more about this, make sure to check out their fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens right now. And for more information about the ordering, the entire terms of having these straight to your homes, they're gonna be answering in that Facebook fan page. And just an additional information, these are actually available as of now, as of vlogging this or taking this vlog, they are available every weekends lang po, Saturdays and Sundays. So you take your orders for Monday to Friday, and then they're gonna deliver it on a special exemption if you order bulk. I mean, like you need it for an event, mga ganyan, no? You can also transact with them and find out how you can deal and get the food on a weekday. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Facebook and Instagram. We're gonna be on those social media networks. And until then, guys, please stay safe, stay at home, and God bless us all. Bye!